Hi, I'm Osvaldo Sanchez.
And my name is Ibrahim Ali.
My name is Nadim Adous.
My name is Helena Nafal.
My name is Kevin Maciel.
My name is Surya Sukharamwala.
My name is Benjamin Thomas.
My name is Ali Hussein.
Our company is Moist, saving the world one lawn at a time.
Our goal for this company is to create a smart home irrigation system for homeowners so they can maintain and monitor their lawns. This business idea is a revolutionary system that reduces water waste while also maintaining appropriate water levels. Now, what is Moist? So Moist is a smart sprinkler system, and it implements moisture sensors throughout the lawn. It also measures water consumption, so when the sprinklers are on, it doesn't overwater the plants or underwater the plants. And it also has an online application that allows homeowners to interact with the system.
Some really interesting features included within the system includes a weather app that approximates the time that it will rain and activates the system in order to capture rainwater. Reason being is because rain is fuel to the system. Each homeowner will have an underground system that captures, filters, and reuses the rainwater in order to reduce waste. Each system also utilizes moist sensors that are placed in desired zones to ensure appropriate water levels are being used. The phone application is also very user-friendly and is updated continuously in order to ensure its effectiveness. Rainwater data is stored within the system and the application so the homeowner can see their system and change things accordingly to their preferences. Some problems included with typical sprinkler systems includes immense wastage of water. According to the EPA, non-smart water systems waste more than 1 billion gallons of water a year. Furthermore, most people think the more they water the lawn, the better, but in reality, overwatering kills vegetation. Some other problems include fluctuating pressure levels and uneven spray patterns, which reduce effectiveness and increase waste. Last but not least, it's very hard to monitor the system while busy. Most homeowners are very busy with work throughout the day and busy at night with family, so it's extremely hard for them to water their system and watch the system work at the same time. What's best is the Moist system because it allows homeowners to see their data through their phone and change things accordingly to fit their needs, reduce their water bills, and increase their effectiveness.
So for problem solved, Moist has been designed with the homeowner and our environment in mind. Our goal is to reduce the negative impacts the green lawns have on our wallets and most importantly, nature. By utilizing moisture sensors that interact seamlessly with the control unit, we can optimize the watering. Also, the system will revolve around the user. They'll have the freedom to customize the zones to suit their needs. An additional benefit of having visibility of the lawn is the soil around the foundation. By creating a zone close to the foundation, the soil moisture level can be controlled to safeguard the foundation and prevent expensive repairs in areas that dry up frequently. Moist will be easy to use and provide greater visibility of outdoor water usages. The installation will also be straightforward. The control unit will be located in the garage and utilize radio waves to communicate with the moisture sensors. Also, by having the ability to create custom zones, the user will have the freedom to control their watering needs for specific plants and conserve water in areas that are fully shaded and protected from the heat.
Current market statistics. Analysts forecast global sprinkler systems market to grow at a CAGR, meaning compound annual growth rate, of a 15.55% during the period of 2016 through 2020. Including the related report is Global Micro Irrigation System Market 2015 through 2019, which forecasts global micro irrigation system market to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 17.89% during the period of 2014 through 2019. Looking at key assumptions, homeowners and builders are more likely to use a cost-saving, environmentally friendly system such as Moist to take care of their water sprinkler system.
Value and growth hypothesis. Value hypothesis. The homeowners and builders will use Moist because it will lower water bills and have an attractive product to offer. Will our target customers use Moist because they want to lower their water bill, and would builders want to offer an attractive product to their customers? Growth hypothesis. In order to sustain and grow our business model, our business will introduce this product slowly to create demand. Word of mouth, conferences geared for water sustainability would be attended to market, and expansion into international markets will be key to growing our business.
As far as competition goes, there are definitely many companies out there in the market with a similar sprinkler controller system, but not all of them are built to homeowner standards. Majority of the companies are luring people with false advertisement, but in the reality, their product doesn't function as promised. Although there are companies that have made sure that their products gets close to meeting all the requirements and specification. One of them is Ratio and the other one is SkyDrop. Both companies have received positive reception from the user. As we all know that no system is perfectly built, so I would like to go over some pros and cons of Ratio, and then my colleague will follow up with its rival. Ratio sprinkler controller is very easy to set up. Once it's set up, it can easily be controlled manually. It comes integrated with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. You can download a mobile application which provides helpful feedback on how the owner can better maintain their lawns. Lastly, it will water the lawn with great accuracy, which will eventually help the owner save money on their water bill. On the other hand, there are some cons to this product. It is not cost efficient, which means it will only be available to the people who can afford it, and along with that, it comes with limited onboard controls. Last disadvantage of this system is that it is not able to run multiple zones at once, which means it would require a little more time than usual to get the job done.
So our other competitor is called SkyDrop. Some of their pros are that it has an on-demand controls with an LCD screen so that the homeowner can configure the watering specifications to their desired preferences. SkyDrop also offers mobile and web applications so that the homeowner can change their specifications wherever they are. SkyDrop is also supported by Amazon Alexa. SkyDrop also offers watering reports to show the homeowner the health of his lawn. And SkyDrop also waters based on the local weather. So if it rains, SkyDrop will tell the sprinkler system not to water the lawn. Some of the cons for SkyDrop are that it has buggy push notifications. It can become very bothersome. It's also very expensive for the homeowner. There's no pause or resume button so that the homeowner can just stop watering whenever he wants to. And SkyDrop also has the inability to water specific zones. So if it's watering, it'll water the whole lawn instead of certain areas where the health of the lawn is depreciating. Competition analysis. So they both offer, Ratio and SkyDrop both offer new and unique features. They were both highly reviewed by many users. Out of the two, we felt that Ratio was the better system because it has a superior irrigation system controller which fits the current criteria of this market. Ratio also offers everything needed for a sprinkler system, and it's constantly improving based on customer reviews. It is also supported by Amazon Alexa, Google Home, IFTTT, SmartThings, and Wink integrations, which makes Ratio one of its kind. Although SkyDrop is a powerful device, it is only able to do certain basic tasks.
Sales model. We would have a high quality building material with integrated moist sensors embedded in our whole watering system. Lawn sizes do not restrict our quality of our smart sprinkler system. Any size lawn would work fine. We can install to existing lawn systems. So if you already have a watering system that you just want to make smart, we can do that. And our standard cost per square foot is 50 cents. But we do offer other options for consulting. So we could go out and check your lawn and give you a quote. comparison of prices of competitors. So both of our competitors, such as SkyDrop and Roshio, they are just monitoring systems that roughly cost around $250 or $400 depending on their generation. They do offer an online application, but the app does cost a little bit of money, while our app would be free. So generally speaking, the cost of the sprinkler system will cost around $300 to $400 depending on the square feet of footage of your lawn. The labor costs, again, depending on the square footage, would be around $200, $300. But our actual smart system irrigation, where we install the moisture sensors, the water capturing system, the monitoring system, the weather system, it would actually cost around $300 to $400, which is generally this almost the exact same price as just their monitoring system. The only thing you do need to pay a little bit more is just for the installation. But we do offer the smart system irrigation just for $300 if you just want to implement it yourself. So now we're going to talk about revenue. Our revenue is going to be based off projected costs and promotions that we'd be running throughout the years. For our first year, we would only intake 100 houses or orders. We estimated that the cost of operation for those houses would be around $90,000, but our revenue would have reached almost $300,000. For our second year, we're going to limit ourselves to adding 20 more houses. So our operation costs would only increase about $12,000, but our revenue would increase to $360,000. Again, we're going to add a little bit more houses for our third year. Again, the operation increased, but our revenue would increase substantially more. By year 4, we are projected to hit $500,000, but this is only because we are restricting ourselves to how many orders we're going to intake per year. If we were going to just have a open range order intake, we could actually make more than $1 million a year. As you can see in the graph itself, there's just a steady increase within the years. So after we actually establish equipment and reliability, revenue should increase even more than projected, because throughout the years we're still going to be working on our system, we're still going to be working on installing, but once we perfect that, we would increase the revenue and lower the operation cost.
Brief summary. Overall, this product will optimize water efficiency, save homeowners and builders money, and provide an environmental friendly solution of reducing overusage of water. Our business plan will help Moist take off while solving a problem and provide cost savings.